What's up, y'all? Alright, we're doing not a vacant. Well, I mean, yeah, it's vacant, but I'm not actually working on the house. This is a hidden room. Let us go find out what is in the hidden room. Certainly hope it is not the same thing that was in the last hidden room that I opened. Not going to go into details on that. But it is just a house for sale that apparently there was a hidden room, probably a storage room, I guess, that got missed when it got rekeyed last. That I think I actually did. So, you know, when there's a hidden room, and it's on the outside of the house, so I don't know what's up with that. Can't be too hidden. Maybe we'll have trouble finding the hidden room. Because isn't it supposed to be hidden, right? I mean, if it's just blah, right there on the side of the house. Maybe it's got bushes around it. I don't know. Let's go see. There is indeed a secret door behind the fence. One of the biggest things with secret doors is they're never used, especially on the outside of the house. So we've got heavy corrosion going here. Of course. Sorry guys. I'm going to take a quick set bolt key. Actually, this is just quick set keys. And free it up as good as possible. Probably be easier to shim it. The gate just closed by itself. But let's see what happens here. It's chilly out today. Hold on. Oof. Dog's like, what are you doing? Oh, there we go. Let's try that again. So tight, so corroded, so corroded. Oh, come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, open. Okay, there you go. There you go. Oh, there it goes. Oh, let's see what's in the room. Give me that. Oh, damn. It's just a storage room. Sorry to disappoint. Ooh, spider web. Sorry to disappoint, but here's what's in our secret room. Let's go ahead and take this filler off and go rekey it. Even without the corrosion, these are hard to, this knob, you have to turn the key with a little bit of force, so it is, and especially on the older ones. Oh, gross, spiders. Oh man, that's just screwed up. Got spider webs on my, hold on. I am okay. 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 Mark me safe. What I was saying was you have to turn the key real hard because it pops the whole knob out. And if you've ever worked on these old risers, it's a plastic core. Or, no, this one's metal, but a plastic housing. And when you turn the key, this knob pops open like that, and it's kind of hard to do on a lot of them. So whenever you're rekeying riser, before you put it back on the door, lubricate there and right where the gap is. And when I put it back on the door, I'm gonna have it locked like that before I do this. So just lock it after you take it off the door, and we're gonna try to get this out here. I want the people freaking out. Oh, where's my tension wrench? All right, can you see that? Probably not. There we go. I'm gonna put the tension wrench in. If you turn it almost all the way back, you can pull it out and then turn it again, and it'll go to the, like, what is that, 5 o'clock, 4:30 position, so that you can get it to come out. So I'll leave all this here and just take the core. You can see this is the old plastic core. I saw this pop up on Reddit. Yeah, every so often I go look at some of those posts, and people talking about plastic housing. This was very, very common from like late 80s to about 2000. So it's no big deal. These are on thousands and millions of houses. So I'm going to lubricate the latch real quick. Did you like that? And let's go rekey it. Alright, I'm just going to use a set of keys out of my, when I use a new lock. Oh, my hair's all messed up. My haircutting girl messed my hair up. Here's a good example of corrosion. It's not the best view here. Hold on. So, pretty corroded. Over there. And that's the funny style clip. Actually, these usually use a different style clip. But for a while, they made them with these dumb ones. Or somebody came along and switched it out. These are much harder to get your tips in. Okay, it's already turned. It's actually 180 right now. So we're going to turn it to 90 degrees and follow it out. Remember what I was talking about earlier? It's jammed because of the corrosion. Okay. You can do this. Let's see. Grab. Oh no. No, that's not gonna work. Hold on. Wiggling it back and forth. Oh, there it goes. Ugh. Okay. Let's check those top pins. Usually, since it's in a plastic housing, doesn't matter because they don't really ever seize up. But I'm just going to check them anyway. Really weak springs. Very, very weak springs. And so, what am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, that's good. A little pin way up here. And, oh wait, two little, get out of there. Two little pins way up here. And one little pin over here. Our ring is still attached. Oh, now it's not. That's it. Thing right there, knock you in the head if you're not careful. There we go. Alright, so pick up our doodad, align that part, pull it back, put your housing in there, making sure the T-shaped bevel goes in the grooves right here. Turn your key either way to like what, 9:30, 10 or 4:35 o'clock, either way, and then let go of your bar, make sure it engages, and you can pull the key in and out. So like I said a minute ago, we're going to have this in the locked position, and making sure the keyhole is right side up. That locked, holding the screws with my fingertips. Some quick set knobs, I don't do this, but on these risers, because they've got these guideposts, I do that and hold the two heads of the screws in. As soon as they go in, then I'll grab them, and that's it. Tighten them down. I tighten the top one down until it is just a little snug. Then do the bottom one. So it's just a little snug, and make sure you're at alignment. Make sure it's level. Tighten up bottom, tighten up top, and tighten up bottom. Can't really torque these too much. Actually bends the brass in. And push in and turn, and pull the key in and out a few times. And that's it. So, not much on the secret room. This is the thing that I was talking about. See, that's one of those things that you whack your head on. Yeah. Whew. That would hurt like a son of a bitch. Alright, we're gonna have to lock the door and see the secret room. Alright guys, sorry to disappoint, but no big deal. Y'all have a great one. We'll catch you next video.